femur busted in a fight. Yeah,
Got his
kidding.
penis busted.
We'd go in there because there was a lot of women around that E-Club.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
And we'd go in there, and as soon as we went in and could muster a couple of tables, we were snagging empty chairs all over the place, pulling them up to the tables, and it always led to a fight.
There's a Carl LaRue, my cousin, Frank Marvel, and then he was here. Frank, he was killed right on 45, got hit by a train. But anyway, him and Jesse Davis were killed. But while they were in the service together, one in the Navy, one in the Air Force, they used to go to each other's places and change uniforms.
Few words for Chris before he shoots.
Good luck.
After we got in fights,
He'll do good.
Yeah, he will.
he was jumping into a car when we were pulling away and hit the door on another part of the car. Slammed it right on his leg and broke his leg.
Hard to believe,
But our commanding officer forbid us to go up to McGuire.
outstanding guys.
You guys go up there.
We used to get the off limits.
No. Yeah. When we were on deployment in Subic Bay, Philippines, they gave us like on Wednesday, Thursday, there was a list of bars that were off. It was almost 50 bars. And then it don't take any GP ride.
That's a magazine.
There was a lot of